Good day, everyone. I am Gerald L. Villar, University Registrar of Far Eastern University, one of the leading universities in the Philippines. In keeping with our founders' aspiration to provide quality and future-ready education for all, FEU persistently invests in upgrading its facilities and systems to promote a better school experience for students. FEU is no stranger to digital transformation. It has been doing its various technology upgrades since the late 90s. In 2015, the university had decided to undertake a major change in its enrollment system, and SoftType Philippines was our partner in that move. The work involves putting the various processes of the enrollment system under one platform linked directly to our accounting system. We have maximized the software to improve key enrollment areas such as registration and finance. We receive synchronized reports and real-time updates, and students can enroll from anywhere without having to go on campus. As FEU continually expands to cater to more students and provide more services, the cloud system allows us to automatically increase server resources when a high volume of users or transactions are being detected. The flexibility benefits not only our students, but also our school staff, especially now where our movement is limited due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. SoftType Philippines has been our partner in continuing our mission for best education services. We look forward to exploring more innovative solutions to deepen the value proposition of an FEU education.